And hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you 2 quick things that every phone owner should know. How to find your IMEI number and how to use that IMEI number to check a phone's activation and blacklist status for free. If you're buying or selling a used phone or trying to confirm carrier compatibility, this is going to be essential. I'll explain what to do if your phone is locked and how Dr.Fone tools can help you if you need a more advanced solution. Now starting off with part 1, what is an IMEI and why it matters? IMEI stands for International Mobile Equipment Identity. It's a unique code assigned to every mobile device that identifies it on mobile networks. The IMEI is used to check whether a phone is blacklisted, carrier locked, or reported as lost or stolen. So it's one of the first things that you should check before buying a used phone. This is now part 2. Easy ways to find your IMEI. Here are going to be the simplest ways to find your IMEI number, so let's get started. First method is through the dialer method. All that you have to do is just open the phone app and dial this number shown on screen. Your IMEI will appear on screen instantly, depending on your device. Then going into your settings method. On most phones, just go to settings, about phone, status, or about IMEI information to view the code. And then you should be good to go. The last method is going to be through the physical device. On many phones, the IMEI is printed on the SIM tray or on the back of the device. Check the original box as well. The IMEI is usually printed on the packaging. Now let's get into part 3, how to use a free IMEI checker. So let's go ahead and use a free online IMEI checker to verify a phone's status. I recommend using Wondershare's free IMEI/GSMA block check tool. It's fast, free, and great for buyers and sellers to confirm blacklist and carrier info. First things first, just open the free IMEI checker. The link will be in the description. Once you've downloaded and install it, you can open it, then enter the IMEI that you copied from your phone. Click check or submit. The checker will report if this device is blacklisted, carrier locked, or has other flags that affect activation. Do this check before you buy or accept a used phone. If a device is blacklisted or reported lost, the carrier may refuse to activate it. And this is super important. Do not share your IMEI publicly. Use a private connection and only enter your IMEI on trusted sites. So let's get into part 4, what unlocking means and free options. When people say unlock a phone, they usually mean one of 2 things, which can be to carrier unlocking a phone so that the phone accepts other kinds of SIM cards or bypassing a lock screen/account lock. An IMEI check won't unlock a phone, but it tells you whether that device is eligible for carrier locking or if it's blacklisted, which affects your options. The IMEI report is an important diagnostic step before attempting any kind of unlocking. If the phone is merely carrier locked and not blacklisted, all you have to do is just contact the carrier for an official unlock, as many carriers offer free unlocks once eligibility requirements are met. If the phone is unlocked at the screen level or has an account lock that you cannot bypass, tools like Dr.Fone Screen Unlock or other services can help, but these are not the same as an IMEI unlock. Use official carrier paths first when possible. So let's get into part 5. This is a bonus. When secret codes or IMEI checks don't resolve this issue. If you still can't access or activate your device after checking the IMEI and contacting the carrier, Wondershare's Dr.Fone Toolkit offers targeted solutions for screen unlock, FRP bypass, and other advanced unlock tasks. These tools are helpful when you don't have account credentials or when you inherited a locked device. But remember that some operations may erase data and should be used very carefully. However, the process is going to be quite simple. And that's going to be it. Find your IMEI with the code shown on screen or from settings, then just go ahead and run a free IMEI/GSM check to confirm blacklist and carrier status and contact the carrier for an official unlock if the phone is eligible. If you need advanced unlocking options, and Dr.Fone offers tools that can help in difficult cases like this one. So which of these steps will you try first? Please make sure to let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and check the description for the IMEI checker link and other resources. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.